Paano siya nahihirapan huminga? Sample na.
Plus, use of accessory muscles for breathing. Plus cup and able to expectorate clear colored secretion. What is the priority nursing problem?
Don't know.
Ang priority dyan ay airway. Pangalawa, breathing. So, in that case, ineffective
Airway. Clear.
related to presence of secretions. It's logical.
Second po yan. Guys, Kiyomi na. Naka-fiction pen ba si Andrea? Fiction pen to, no? Fiction pen. Friction pen. I-snitch mo siya. You're not a trustworthy classmate.
Breathing by gas exchange.
Ang sagot, sabi, ma'am, able to expectorate secretion. Able, pero may practice.
Oh, she's present.
So, bakit airway? Clear the airway first. Dilate the bronchioles. Nakahasak. So, it's important. Kailangan i-assist siya.
Bago, kwentuhan lang ako.
So,
Ano yung sagot dito? 12, 13,
Gas
14,
exchange.
15, 17, 18, 19, 20.
ineffective breathing pattern related to
Fit ko, dito akong kapal.
Okay. Yung ba sa first priority problem, sabi niya ineffective airway clearance related to presence of secretion.
Bawi na naman sa next week.
Ineffective airway clearance.
Sa midterms.
Data ba kayo doon?
Bawi sa exam.
Ay, meron ba? Basta may data ba kayo? Show that there is what? Involved breathing pattern. Okay, so ineffective airway clearance. Ineffective crackles. Yung crackles ang ineffective airway clearance. Presence of secretions, crackles pa rin. So yung crackles is an important assessment data.
Makikipag-date. Ikaw ang mas bagay, dress or casual lang? Saan? Sa date? Pag ikaw? May date na ako.
Yes.
This week.
Next.
Date with ano?
Effective breathing pattern related to bronchoconstriction. Meron ka bang cue for ineffective breathing pattern? Yung yung RR niya o
28. Total items 60. Score 20.
presence ay bronchoconstriction. Yung breezes over the lung field. You're able to resolve that with the scope of nursing problem. Nursing problem. Nare-resolve ko ba yan? Magiging mare-resolve ko ba ito?
This is so dirty. Like, it's only. Ano ba yun? Parang hindi na ako naniniwala sa miracle.
Paano? Paano mo ibubukas mo? Breathing pattern. Bronchodilator, o paano makagamot naman pala yung medical? Mukha sa medical
Gas exchange mo. Gas exchange. Impaired.
paano nalaman ang impaired gas exchange? Wala pang cure for impaired gas exchange.
Ay, wala.
Anong gagawin mo? Gagawa mo ba? Actually, pwede naman.
That's not. Kailan ba tayo makakapasa dito sa ano? Why? Saan nag-check yung papel ko?
remove
Yan. Bakit? Nakapasa ba sila? Alam mo yung sagot ko dito? Poor teacher. Alam mo yung thing. Yung thing. River. 1.5 points na ang liver.
or that means.
3 points yun, no?
Ito is 5 points, problem and etiology. 5 points, problem and etiology. Tapos ito naman ay 3 points. So all in all,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Hala, sayang si Andrea. Isa na lang. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
over 60 siya, yes? Pag walang etiology, minus 3. Pag mali yung etiology, minus 3. Pag mali yung problem, mali.
Ma'am,
Pag correct problem,
Huwag mo na tanongin yung dapat.
ma'am, kung